My name is Alper Ünler and I'm a mechanical engineering senior in McNeese State University. Today I'm going to do an experiment about the water level drop rate in a tank. The area of the tank is calculated as 0.0864 meters squared. Now the first part of the experiment, I'm going to use a tank with a hole diameter at 1.5 centimeters. I'm going to fill the tank up to the 10 centimeter mark and I'm going to let it drain until the 2 centimeter mark. And I'm going to measure the time. Then, for the second part of the experiment, I'm going to use a hole with the 2 centimeter diameter. And again, I'm going to fill it up until the 10 centimeter mark, which is right here. And I'm going to drain it until it reaches 2 centimeter mark. And I'm going to measure the time and then compare the results. And for the first part, I have a 1.5 centimeter diameter hole. I'm filling the tank until 10 centimeters. We're at 10 centimeters now. Here's my chronometer. I'm going to start in count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go. Now the tank is draining. I'm going to stop when it reaches 2 centimeter mark. Now we are at 2 centimeter mark and the time is 36.96 seconds. Okay, now for the second part of the experiment, which is virtually the same, same tank, same motor, except I have a 2 centimeter hole this time. And wait. Again, I'm putting the water up to the 10 centimeter mark. And again, I'm going to measure its time, its draining time, until it reaches 2 centimeters. So 3, 2, 1, go. Because this time it has a bigger hole, its time limit is wider, so it's draining much faster, as you can see. Almost at 2 centimeter mark. And we are that. The time this time is 25.12 seconds, which is of course much faster than the first hole, which is a 1.5 centimeter hole in it. Now the result. The first hole had a 1.5 centimeter diameter and the second one had a 2 centimeter diameter, and the area of the tank was calculated as 0.0864 meters squared. Now the continuity equation resulted in 40.2 seconds draining time for the first one and 22.8 seconds for the second hole. The experimental value, which we measured using a chronometer, the first one was 36.96 seconds and the second was 25.12 seconds. These results are pretty close to the theoretical value, which means the experiment was pretty much successful.